Welcome to the tastyworks trading platform, designed by retail traders for retail traders. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate through the platform to see important trade details and learn platform tips that will help you complete the challenge itself. Along the top of the platform, you'll see your account information and the ticker symbol search box. Type in the description of the product you're looking for to pull up trade information for that underlying. You can also just enter the ticker symbol itself if you already know it. To the right, you'll see the last price the underlying traded at, the net change for the day, bid and ask prices, and the number of shares traded that day. You'll also see a description of the underlying you're viewing here. Underneath the ticker information, you'll see your account information. Netlick is your current account value, PL day is how much you've made or lost today, and PL year to date is how much you've made or lost this year. Your stock buying power is also shown in this column, which begins at $5,000 for this challenge and represents how much capital you have to deploy a new stock trade. Just below the Accounts tab, you'll see a number of different tabs. Whether you're monitoring your positions or placing new trades, the vast majority of platform activity takes place right here. You can also view and create watch lists, get inspired with in-app content, view and draw on charts, see what other traders are doing, and see your trade history. Along the left side of the platform, you'll see symbols you've recently viewed, and below that, watch lists. To see them, just click on the drop-down menu. To edit and customize some platform details, just click on the gear anywhere on the platform. See what you can customize so you can tailor the platform to your liking. If you want to save this for later, don't worry, you'll still have access to the platform after completing your challenge. Finding an underlying in tastyworks couldn't be easier. The quickest way is to search by ticker symbol at the top of the platform. If you don't know the symbol of the underlying you're looking for, just enter the name of the company and select it from the drop-down menu that appears. For more contextual trading, check out the Watchlist tab located in the middle of the vertical tab menu. From here, you can view our default watch lists or the watch lists you've created. For example, maybe you're interested in the underlyings that have had the biggest rallies that day. Clicking on the Change column sorts from low to high and high to low. You can sort any of the columns you see just by clicking on the column header. You can change or reorder the column headers by clicking on the gear in the upper right corner of the tab. Drag items you want to remove from left to right, and drag the items you want to include from right to left. You can also filter for a specific subset of underlines by clicking on the funnel in the upper right corner of the page. For example, you can exclude or include underlyings with earnings, and filter for specific implied volatility and liquidity ranges. The more orange stars you see, the more that underlying is traded each day. Don't forget, you can view any watch list along the left sidebar as well, and place trades directly from that section too by clicking on the bid or ask prices. To edit the columns you see, just click on the gear in the upper right corner. In this video, we are going to show you how to organize watch lists, create your own, edit them, and manage them. To customize your watch lists in the tastyworks platform, click the gear anywhere on the platform to pull up the settings menu. From here, click on the watch lists module to see the watch list settings. You can manage your preset and personal watch lists and watch list columns here. Click on the Lists tab to create or delete a watch list. To create a new watch list from scratch, click on the green Add New List button and then name your watch list in the second field. To add a symbol, just search for the ticker and select it from the drop-down menu. Once you've created the watch list, you can add more ticker symbols here. Once you're finished, you can close out of the watch list settings to see your new watch list along the left sidebar or in the main watch list tab. To remove specific symbols from your watch list, simply right-click on the symbol and select Remove. To delete an entire watch list you've created, go back to the watch list settings menu and select the watch list you want to delete from the drop-down menu. Once selected, click the red Delete Selected List button. Placing a stock trade is quick and easy in the tastyworks trading platform. The platform was designed with See It, Click It, Trade It technology. You can easily load stock trades by clicking the bid or ask prices anywhere on the platform. If you click the ask, you'll load an order to buy shares of stock. If you click the bid, you'll load an order to sell shares of stock. You can clear the order and start over at any time by clicking the red eraser along the right side of the page. To place a stock trade from the Trade tab, open the Strategy menu along the top of the tab. At the very bottom, you'll see Stock. You can click long or short just to the left of stock to change the order to a long or short stock trade. Click go when you've made your selection, and you'll see your stock trade populate along the bottom of the page. In this toolbar, you can adjust the quantity of shares you want to buy or sell, change the price of the order, or even the order type. Loading a stock order here does not actually route the order. To do that, click Review and Send to confirm the order, and then, once you're satisfied, click Send Order to route the order to the market for a fill. To close the order, navigate to the Positions tab. Then right-click on the shares and select Close Position from the menu that appears. This will take you through the same process we just went through to buy shares, but with the opposite order of what you started with. Looking to replace or cancel a working order? You can view working orders in 3 places: in the Positions tab, in the Activity tab, and in the right-hand sidebar. To replace the order, right-click on the working order. Then, click Replace Order. You will be sent to the Trade tab, where you may adjust the price of the order. After adjusting, click Review and Send. Here, you can review your trade. To make revisions to the order, click Edit Order, or click Clear Order to leave your existing order working. If you're ready to send your adjusted order, click Send Order. Your old order will be canceled and replaced. If you're having second thoughts, you can also cancel your working order. Simply right-click on the working order, then click Cancel Order. Your order is now canceled. Managing your trades within the tastyworks platform is just as streamlined as placing them. Head to the Positions tab to see all positions in your portfolio. All filled, working, and even trades you closed that day will appear on your Positions tab. Just like the Watchlist tab, you can sort your holdings by clicking on the header of each column. You can adjust your column settings by clicking the gear in the upper right corner. Drag columns you want to see to the left and columns you want to remove to the right. Sort columns by dragging them up and down within this menu. Once you've customized your columns, you can head back to the Positions tab. It's important to ensure that PL Open and PL Day are visible on the Positions tab. PL Open shows your overall profit or loss on the position, and PL Day shows you your profit or loss from that day. To close a position, right-click on the shares you want to close and select Close Position. This will take you to the trade page with the closing order. From here, you can immediately place a closing order or set conditional orders for later. This can come in handy if your profit target or stop loss is triggered while you're away from the platform. To automatically route a stop loss order once a certain price is hit, change the order type to Stop Limit in the lower right corner of the Trade tab. The first price you see is the price that will trigger the order to be routed, and the second price you see is the actual price you want to get filled at. If you want to be filled immediately when your stop price is triggered, select Stop Market from the Order Type menu. To create a resting profit target order, change the time in force to GTC, or Good Till Canceled, and change the order type to Limit. This allows you to set a price to sell the shares for a profit, and will trigger the order to be routed once that price is hit. We want you to succeed in your challenge, and securing profits while you're away from your computer is certainly one way to do it. Just remember, all your orders will be automatically closed at the end of your challenge. Remember, orders are only routed after you hit Confirm and then Send Order, so feel free to play around with this toolbar to see what's possible in the platform. That's it. Good luck and good trading.